Hello, my name is Hello to you. It's an inside joke. So today I'm going to show you how to put a cabin air filter in your car, or replace it if it was in there in the first place, which mine wasn't. So anyway, the pollen's been really bad this year, so you might want to have one of these things because it'll help to filter out all of the bad stuff. So it's the air filter is always somewhere behind the dashboard, pretty much. And shot from over here. So I'll put some lights on. So mine's behind the glove compartment, and this is a Scion. And there are these little tabs here. I don't know if you can see those. And that's what's holding this in. It's really not physically held in by anything else. So they're little plastic tabs, and all you gotta do really is push in, maybe both at the same time, I forget, and then pull. And I'm not getting a lot of leverage on this ground here. So there we go. That's it. And then this thing will kind of just hang here. There's a little if you here, let me see that. See this little I don't know what you call it, lever, whatever. So that's still attached there. So you're gonna want to like support the thing with the glove compartment lid with your hand. So my assistant's gonna do that while I take the air filter out. And if you go to the auto parts store, there's instructions here, but if you go to the auto parts store, they're gonna tell you which size you need for your car. They're really helpful there. They're nice people. Who knows, they might even put it in there for you. Probably not, though. I wonder if you might have a better angle if you come over this way.
Alright.
Because there is a door. There is a little door here, see? See, this is where the air filter is going to go in horizontally, but there's this little tab here. So you have to kind of open that up and take that out. See? See how it comes in on both ends with hooks?
Cool.
Right? So it even tells you which way is up. There's a little up indicator there.
Cool.
And then this guy, it shows you like which way the airflow is going. See the indicator there? So the air is coming up from the bottom and it's going to come out the vents. So we want that to be facing up, right? So we're going to put that guy.
Shove it in there.
Yeah, actually, but I think it goes horizontally this way. So what we're going to do is put that guy in there. Like that. Well, maybe not. Maybe we are going to put him in this way. Let's try it. Oh yeah, see, there's a little like slant that goes in, so you put it in like this, and then it pushes over like that. Except that sticks out too far, so that's probably not it. So it's probably like this, and then that. That's how it goes. Yeah. And then my thing fell off. So here's the up indicator, so we're going to put this guy back in place, like that. So that's good. But now,
My thing fell off.
yeah, my thing fell off. So how am I going to put my...
What was it?
How am I going to put this back? Well, it's the little arm that holds the... That holds the...
It probably just goes back
into
on.
place, yeah. But which way? So... I think it was like, I forget now. So this is going to be a whole new video, isn't it? So,
Right both ways.
yeah, it was hooked on like this, I think, right?
Yeah.
So then it was probably hooked on like here.
Are there little buttons?
Yeah, like that, see?
Yeah.
Where it hooks like that? Okay. Alright, so put that guy back on like so. It just pops on, there's no screws or anything. And then there should be one right about there. Right? So now we do the reverse. Push in. And then the other. Watch your fingers. I am.
There you go.
There.
Maybe it is on backwards.
Okay. Now I got it.
Okay,
So
good.
that's how you put your glove box back in place after you put in the cabin air filter.
Nice.
And that's that. So this thing costs about $10. And hopefully it'll save you from sneezing for the rest of the...
Thank you. Hello to you.
Yeah, and hello to you. And goodbye for now. You can cut it now.